Okay, it means that in Odoo 19 we have a new feature to set the cover image for the to-do.
Okay, that's great.
So employee contract.
Okay.
Now the employee contract has become more controllable and manageable. Okay, although it will be cool, but what makes it cooler is that it has the predictive inventory, and that a great suggestion from the Odoo, right?
So next is AI in product. So these are not a robotic vacuum cleaner named as Odoo bot.
Hello and welcome to Techtonic by Cybrosys, the only show where the bugs are squeezed, the features are fresh, and the ERP jokes are well tolerable. Well, I am Jarina, your host, and this is your new co-host, Aisha. Today, we're gonna cook up something new and spicy. We can see that it's a hot cup Odoo 19 goodness with 9 sizzling features in it. From AI magic to manufacturing, we have got everything. So, are you ready to buckle up? So grab your headsets. It's time to shake up something new and spicy.
So now let's kick it off with MTO in purchase, which is make to order, not mango tofu omelette, right, Jarina?
Yeah, exactly. So Odoo 19 makes MTO smoother, and you can easily enable the MTO from the configuration settings of the purchase module. And the rest of the functionalities are as of the previous version itself. So just go for it. It's just like a system saying that, hey boss, I'm ready to do it.
So next is AI in product. So these are not a robotic vacuum cleaner named as Odoo bot. So what is that?
Okay, although it will be cool, but what makes it cooler is that it has the predictive inventory, and that a great suggestion from the Odoo, right?
Yes. So this feature is for all of you guys who gets mini heart attack when you hear about full payment in Odoo.
Okay. With the partial bill deduction, you can split the bills and pay in chunks, and you can keep your vendors still happy. Like it's telling your suppliers that let's be friends and we'll make a 20% off the rent from the original payment.
Okay, who doesn't want a glitter image in their task list?
Okay, it means that in Odoo 19, we have a new feature to set the cover image for the to-do.
Okay, that's great.
So that will show you what the task or the to-do actually does.
Okay. Now you can simply say goodbye to the boring serial lot numbers, like we can say SN0004 something like that, right?
Yeah. Now you can set the load number or serial number of your own. And if you want to set a serial number or load number that start with CYB, okay, you can just go for it, but never set the serial number or load number with your Krishni.
Okay, they won't do it.
Okay,
Right.
fine. So in manufacturing module, when you just manufacture an item, you can easily customize a load number or serial number of your own. But what you just need to do is you just need to apply the condition under the products.
Okay.
So here, there you can find a field called custom load number or serial number.
Okay.
So just do try it out. So if you want to know how it functions in Odoo, you can just watch the video, because we have
already uploaded, right?
Yeah, we have started to upload the new features of Odoo 19 on our channel. So just go for it and watch it and just give comments in the review.
Okay, now let's revamp in employee contract. Okay. So what is that?
Okay, that's about, there is a change in the UI of employee contract.
Okay.
Now, the employee contract has become more controllable and manageable, which means that you can easily track the salary, structures, contract dates, and even assign condition. And the change that you can find under the employee contract is that you cannot find, the employee contract smart tab in the smart tab section. And you can also easily find the different versions of the contract under the versions in the employee contract. So that's one of the other feature you can find under Odoo 19.
So you are saying that HR got more superpower than a Superman, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so this is one for you who loves dashboard very well. Like you can now apply a filter once it update across all of your views. So what does?
Which means that you can simply apply the date filters. Like you can just apply the date filters with 12 months, 24 months, or with a custom date and all.
Okay.
So you can just get everything based on country, or by applying different conditions like country, salesperson, customer and all, you can just get apply these global filters in your dashboard.
Yeah.
And this is obviously for dashboard lovers, right?
All right. All right.
And the other feature I would like to discuss is about the deadline in manufacturing order. So it's not a new feature, but there is a slight change in the deadline in MO of manufacturing order, which means that the deadline in MO are now visible and manageable. Previously, when you just create an MO, the deadline were affected from the BY. That were auto-populated upon the creation of the sales order or the purchase order. But right now, it is more manageable and you can just customize the date, and it's creating a situation of, oh no, that was due yesterday moment.
Okay, fine. So if you have a huge MO to process, now in Odoo 19, you can just split them into batches, right?
Yes, exactly. So what it will be doing is that you are just diving and conquering the functionalities of a business, and this would allow you to go home before midnight.
Okay, that's very great.
Okay, so these are the 9 awesome updates in Odoo 19. So we have just talked about AI to MO, MO to MTO, and all these are awesome acronyms and awesomeness of Odoo 19. So we will be coming back with more stories and updates of Odoo 19 ERP. And that's all for today. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization and Odoo implementation as well as Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video. Bye from
Techtonic.